Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
And I'm Ann.
And today we are cooking out
Carrot dogs.
carrot dogs from our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. On page 67, if you want to follow along. These are a blast. They're a riot. And there's carrot dog eating contests alongside hot dog eating contests I've heard of in like Austin, Texas, and I could imagine eating a bunch.
No.
And we love making these, and it's a great option as we're getting into like the cooking out season, the barbecue season, the summer season. So this is a wonderful option. 67.
We occasionally used to have, there were smart dogs that we used to occasionally eat. They weren't great. But suddenly, they decided to make them grillable. And in order to make them grillable, they added oil. So carrot dogs took their place.
Yeah.
So you need to find a carrot that is a similar size to a hot dog. And that's too little. And this is too fat.
This is a little too big.
But this is good.
This is good.
And so
Too short.
cut the end off. And you want to just figure out how about the size you want. And then put it in boiling water for about 10 minutes until it is hot dog soft. And I tell if it's soft enough by just putting a little knife in it and seeing if it goes right through. So we're going
I've
to
got some boiling water over here. I'm just going to throw it in. For how much time do you think it roughly is?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Okay, so we'll take 10 minutes and be right back.
I think it's about 10 minutes, so let's go give it a stab and see if the knife will go in as if it were a hot dog.
Oh, the skin's a little bit coming off like a...
Perfect!
Okay. I'm going to drain.
And we have a panini machine. Now you don't have to use this, but wait until you see why. It's sort of really kind of fun because it gives the hot dog the sort of little, and the bread, the little lines that you get when you cook.
Here, I'm going to just pour them out. A little hot. I rinsed them off so a little bit cold, a little cooler to touch.
All right, now, Jane is going to do one her way, and I'm going to do one my way.
Shocking.
Shocking. So I'm going to cut mine in half like this, and then, when they're cut in half, I'm going to get some liquid smoke. Now that's just literally water and smoke, and I am going to put liquid smoke on these.
I wonder how they get
like
that flavor of smoke into the water.
Liquid smoke those. I'm going to liquid smoke your cutting board too a little, Jane.
I was noticing that.
And then the carrots go into the panini machine.
See, I think this is unnecessary steps because this is ready to go if you ask me. Just put this in the bun, put on the ketchup, you're good to go.
And then I am going to put 2 pieces of Ezekiel bread in here. Now I choose, 1 minute, I choose Ezekiel bread because the Ezekiel 4.9 low sodium has no salt, and it's the best bread out there. I mean, if you want something perfect. And you could use hot dog buns, but sometimes it's hard to find.
Yeah, we have to get Ezekiel buns. I just put my bun in the toaster because I got envious of hers being warmed up. So Ann does this whole grilling situation with the panini and the liquid smoke, which adds amazing flavor to the carrot dog, or the carrot itself. And I just don't mind. This is like a hot dog, flexible, textured carrot.
And really, when you eat hot dogs, your main thing you're getting is ketchup and mustard and whatever else you put on.
You want a vehicle for ketchup and mustard and a nice toasty bun. So that's what I'm going for. Because I can't remember the last time I had a hot dog, but I don't think I ever cut it in half and grilled it in a panini with liquids
Well, now the reason that I do this is because we have a grandson, Gus, who absolutely loved those old hot dogs we used to have, and he always cut them in half and put them in the panini machine. And I learned from him to transfer that to the carrots.
Oh, clever.
So it's fun.
All right, so
Should we give it
I think my
a check?
toasted might be ready.
Not quite ready. We have to have another few minutes to wait. All right.
Oh, my bun is done.
And these are pretty close.
Yeah, well,
we'll just make them done.
We'll call it done. Oh, that does look great. That's
Doesn't
how
that
we
look
usually
good?
do it.
See?
Yeah.
It's nice. And then I take the bread. Now, what I like about the panini is it makes the outside nice and crispy, but the inside stays soft. And then I'm going to take these little hot dogs, and I'm going to put them here and here. And then I am going to cover them with mustard and ketchup. The ketchup's over there.
Do you like
Mustard.
ketchup on your hot dog?
Yep. The only time I like ketchup is on hot dogs. And
Carrot dogs.
oh yeah, carrot dogs.
I like stone ground mustard. Oh, I can open it.
Well, I like this because it's so pretty. And then I'm going to put a little sauerkraut.
You go.
A little sauerkraut because it's really nice, good to eat it.
I'm just going
And
plain old ketchup and mustard.
one more thing that
I
I'm
don't
putting
do
on.
mustard.
One more thing. This is some leftover kale that I had cooked. So I'm going to put some of that in.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful? And
Look at that. You know what? This isn't even a carrot dog. This is a carrot sandwich, Mommy.
yeah. And
Wow.
here's, because I ran out of that.
Oh,
I'm
I
gonna
want some
put
arugula.
A little arugula there. So now I'm just going to take mine.
Here, wait, look at my delicious carrot dog. Mmm.
Now that-
Ketchup, mustard, and a wee bit of arugula.
I need a slight, just for color. Ook, eek. My hands are covered with everything.
You've got the
I
guy right
can't-
there.
This one looks as if you can't open it. There. There. I just
Okay.
needed a little more
You
straight
eat with your eyes.
mustard. And then,
Okay.
aren't these gorgeous?
These are. So, cheers. Cheers. Okay. I'm going to get the ketchup in
But
first.
see now when it's closed up, it does look like a
That
hot
looks more like
dog.
a hot dog. I know. Let's go. My nose has ketchup.
It's good.
This tastes like a hot dog.
Great.
Wait, you have to try this.
Oh, you're gonna try mine.
I have longer arms.
Shoot.
Doesn't that taste? It tastes just like you feel like you're eating a hot dog.
It doesn't even taste like carrots are in there.
It doesn't even taste like carrots are in there. This is so much like a hot dog. It's beautiful. It's amazing. All right. Well, as it gets to be summer and Memorial Day and not Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, all kinds of stuff happens. Block parties,
Actually,
barbecues,
Brian, do you want a little of this?
hosting people at your house in the summer.
You might like it.
Serve up some carrot
Would you
dogs.
take the
I mean, even if
carrot
you
out and
set them
have
up like this, all like dressed up on a platter, people might walk up and go, "What's this?" And they'll pick up a carrot dog and they might just try it. Maybe even cut them on the diagonal so they look like they're all chefy. Anyway, all right. Hey, what do you put on your carrot dogs? Let us know. Bye.